Let's see how to download and install the CYPE Architecture program. We open the web browser and go to BIMserver.center. In the top right corner of the page, click on Login, or if we do not yet have an account, we register completely free of charge. Once logged into BIMserver.center, in the navigation menu, we click on the Store area. Search for CYPE Architecture in the list of available applications and go to the program's download page. We click on Download to start the process. Once we have downloaded the executable file of the CYPE Download Manager, we double-click on it to start the process. In the Installation menu window, we select the language we want to install the program in. And in the new pop-up window, we specify the download path and tick the Install automatically after downloading box. Finally, we click on Begin Download. When the download of the program is finished, the installation process will start automatically. Here we follow the steps indicated in the different windows, accepting the terms of the license contract and the responsibility clause. Now we will choose the unit where we will install the program and, if we wish, tick the boxes to create a shortcut on the desktop and in the program menu. If it is the first CYPE program that we have installed and we have not yet installed the BIMserver.center synchronizer or have the latest version, it is important to tick here the Install BIMserver.center Sync box, which will allow us to keep our projects updated and synchronize them with the platform. To start the installation, click on Finish. The program will automatically run when the installation is finished.